Hey, so we have 3+ massive big features that are coming to you tomorrow and the next day. First is bringing organic social posting and scheduling into play. Now you have the option to show or hide social posting to your clients as the admin. As the admin, you will see this tab, but if this switches on, this won't show to your clients. How this works is just like you're launching ads inside of Play. You can select multiple platforms right here, even if you're not connected, and you can create the post. You can add your prompt here like you normally would. It will automatically create the post caption for you. You can see different post caption options. You can change it out to any sort of creative that you want. We'll still be recommending Shutterstock now, but you can always switch this out. You can add your AI avatar options if you want to. You can pull from any other library, you can upload. Also for the images, we've added meme generation. This is the best. Something like that. And this will actually generate your memes for you. Just with this prompt, you're going to get about 10 different memes that you could choose from, or 10 or more. And this is just going to create some funny content that you can post organically to your page. You could also use this for your ads as well. For Bob's solar panel installation, I'm going to pay a little more for the best here. So you can choose to use these or not. So this is just another creative option that you can use for your posts. You can also do multi-post. So if I wanted to add another image, I could. You can create multi-post. That's just for Facebook. LinkedIn, you can do the same thing as well. You can post your LinkedIn content. We're automatically adding the right hashtags and everything. TikTok as well. You can create your TikTok post right here. And then for Instagram, you can create your Instagram posts or reels or stories right inside of Play. You can schedule this post. If you want to schedule it, just set the date and time. It'll give you the best times to actually post as recommendations. And you can also publish this now, or you can draft it at a later time. Also in this view is that you can see your calendar as well. So once you start posting some content, you can see your calendar right here and see kind of what you've actually posted in the past or is coming up in the next few days or weeks. You can have your full calendar here just to sort of see what's going on. Here's your draft posts as well. And then we're always going to be adding more platforms. Something else is that once these posts are published, you can actually boost these posts right within Play too. So that's just a nice feature. You can duplicate them and you can create mini posts at once too. So if I come in here and I create the post, I can just duplicate this. I can duplicate this, and I can just create a bunch of posts right at once and schedule them all for you or for your clients. We'll also be adding social posting in the Creative Hub as templates, so you can share your templates to your clients and they can create social posts right from the Creative Hub. That'll be coming soon. So to add social posting onto your accounts, it is going to be a limited time offer of $49 a month for unlimited accounts, unlimited social profiles connected, and unlimited posts as an add-on if you're an existing customer of Play. And just to quickly compare our pricing to some other social posting pricing platforms like Later, they're starting at $133 a month just for up to 10 users. So this is a massive deal, a massive limited time deal for you. Some other platforms to even white label it are charging, just up to 10 brands is $297 a month just to manage up to 10 brands for white labeling, but now you get ads and social posting in one platform. Another awesome feature that we're launching this week is Play Easy Mode. This is just a very easy version to launch your ads. Your clients will not see any tabs at the top. It'll look very similar to this right here, where it's just saying advertise. You can see the results. They can see the results of their campaign and they can add their brand context right here. This is where they can also connect their ad accounts. Only you as the admin will be able to see all of these features, but again, your clients will only see this right here down below. They can choose to use their own content in the ads, or if they don't, we will recommend some creative for them. They can choose their goal from leads to traffic to messages to phone calls. So these goals are some of the most popular ones inside of Play, and it's just very easy for them to generate leads, generate messages, generate phone calls, and build up their CRM, build up their lead generation, build up their funnels. So they can choose leads, for example. They can have their location right here. We'll also suggest this from their brand context area. And they can just tap generate ad. And once they're here, they can see all of the different ad combinations that are being generated. They can edit the ad right here. So they can, make any changes that they want. They can edit the ad. They can change out to use an AI avatar video if they want to. They can pull from their Instagram, Facebook, Shutterstock, generate videos, or just use some of their uploaded media right here. This is where they can make edits to their ad, and they can also edit the budget again if they want to, or they can create a lead form And because we selected the lead form template, this is where they would generate their lead form. Now, if I selected a message template, this is where they generate their message conversation, or a phone call. This is where they add their phone number. But because we selected a lead form, this is where I would tap create right here, and they can create their whole lead form. A lot of this is already filled out for them. And this is where they can just tap launch campaign, or they can schedule it for a later date. This is really how easy mode is. Again, we're not charging anything extra for this. This will just be added and included into your accounts. And you can choose to show this to certain accounts right away and just make it very easy for your clients to launch ads even faster. So that's just another big feature that we've been working on, and really excited to show you our easy mode. If we go to the advertise section, you also see the old Connect Platforms tab is now just built right within inside of the Advertise tab, just to sort of keep everything more centered and focused for doing your Advertise section right here. We also gave you the option, if you want to hide this home tab. Some of your clients may just want to advertise just on Facebook, for example. So we gave you the option to also hide this home tab if you want to do that. So really all you would have to do is, you can just have advertise, social. You can hide the Creative Hub if you want to. You can hide the Analytics Hub if you want to. So we do give you those platform customizations if you're in white label. So with that, these are all things that are coming this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll keep you updated in the next video. See ya.